Imagine that you are earning $540 in less than 30 minutes. Well, that can be the reality because you can make money online using Google Translate. This is actually a new strategy that will allow you to earn thousands of dollars online. Do not exit the video to know the step-by-step procedure of this hack. Do not worry because this is for everyone. You do not need to have any experience to do this. Also, it is very accessible because you can use your phone to earn money online. This is only a 4-step process, so it will not take a while. It's very simple, and you can do this over and over again. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Now, let's go back to the video. As I have told you before, there are only 4 steps that you need to follow to earn money online. The first step is to search Google Translate. Almost everything online is written in English. Thus, the information that we get from it is only those that are written in English. We do not see information or methods that people from around the world see. In order to widen the information that I can access, I go to Google Translate. Then, I will choose to translate from English to German. For example, we can type best ways to make money online. After that, let the computer translate it for you. Then, copy the translated sentence. As you all know, there are articles on the web written in a different language. We will never encounter them if we use English. To see them, open a new tab and paste the copied translation on it. After that, the search result will show you all articles and information written in German language. You can also try to translate it into another language such as Finnish, Spanish, or Hindi. Now, what you need to do is to scroll down. Then, look for 4 various articles written in German about how people earn money online. For example, let us choose and click this one. It is written in a different language. After that, a little symbol up here will permit you to translate the said article into the English language. This is one of the ways that I use to find a new way to earn money. When I click that, it translates the whole text or article. Trust me, you will be amazed with the amount of articles that I have found from all over the world using this hack. After translating the article, you can now proceed to the next step. The next step is to find offers. There are a lot of sites on the internet that offer various deals. There is clickbank.com or Dutystore24. For this video, I will use clickbank.com. It is an affiliate marketplace application that allows people to promote products. You will also promote their products and they will compensate you for selling their products. For example, they are selling something for $910. Well, they can pay you up to $50 if you manage to sell their products. You can also earn money if you can promote and sell more products. What we searched so far is part of the earn money online niche. I will tell you more about a product that you can promote for absolutely free traffic. Again, you do not need expertise or technical skills for this. All you need is your Gmail account. I'm going to tell you how to earn money online later along with the article that I found. Now, you will scroll down and you will see the e-business and e-marketing button. Click it and you will find a lot of products. Now, look for something that you would like to promote. Scroll down and browse all the available products. The whole process won't take an hour, but the amount that you can earn can be a lot. You can scroll down and look at other pages too. In this video, we will choose this one because it will pay you a lot for every sale that you can make. To choose, click the promote button. After that, press the generate a hop link for yourself. Press this one. Then, I will tell you a way to get free traffic. Please focus on this video to not miss anything. So, copy the link. From here on, I will tell you how you can do this on autopilot. The third step that you need to follow is to set up a Gmail account. Go to gmail.com and set up a new account. After that, click the settings button. Then, allow it to take you to another page that looks like this. What you will do is to scroll down to the bottom until you find the vacation responder. This button will allow the automation piece to come in. I will demonstrate what it would look like. So, I set this up this way. It will say free training to earn money online. I also include a statement that says that if you want to learn an effective affiliate marketing system that works anywhere, click on this link and get free training. Then, I will include the link. For this link, I went to the site called bit.ly.com. I pasted the link from ClickBank. Then, I shortened it by clicking shorten. It will give you a shorter link that you can copy and paste on the email body. Now, you are done with it. This vacation responder works by sending an email reply to the messages that you will receive, meaning you do not need to always look and type your replies on Gmail. Autopilot affiliate marketing is really one of the best ways to earn money online. Now, we already have an account and product. I am now going to tell you how you can attract free traffic. I will also tell you how you can prevent your links from being banned or removed. The last step is to go to the site called Quora.com. So, go here and type best ways to make money online. Then, it will show you tons of answers like these. What you need to do is to scroll down and press on the past hour. This will show you all the latest questions that have been posted on the site. You will have a chance to reply to all types of questions that can be found on this site. For example, people have asked, what is the best way to earn money online, or how can I make money online from home? There are tons of questions like this. This is a recent question, so a lot of people will see your answer once you post it here. Now, answer the question. Remember the article that you have copied? This is where you will use it. I will tell you how I did it. I came and answered this question here by simply copying this article. There are also times when you need to jumble up the words. Once I am done, I wrote this at the start of my answer. It says, I will tell you a few ways on how you can earn money online. This is really a good strategy to earn money online. You can come here again and again. You can answer questions for as long as you like, and you can earn more money for doing it continuously. That is it for today's video. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online. Quora.com